Welcome back. Thursday woke up to the third phase of the Lok Sabha elections 2014 with vigorous polling across the country. The third phase was being polled for 91 seats. Over 100 million voters across 11 states and 3 union territories voted in the third phase after the first 2 phases in the northeast.
Millions voted across 11 states and 3 union territories on Thursday in the third round of parliamentary elections to pick 91 of the country's 543 MPs. The third phase polling covered Western Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Vidarbha region in Maharashtra, the Vindhya region in Madhya Pradesh, the plains of Jammu, Kerala, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Lok Sabha polls for Mizoram will be held on Friday. In fourth phase on 12th April, the polls will be held at Sikkim, Tripura, Assam and Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Rape accused Tarun Tejpal has finally knocked the doors of the Supreme Court seeking bail. Tejpal, in his petition before the Apex Court, has challenged the order of the High Court dismissing his bail plea. Tejpal has contended that trial in the matter will take time and keeping him behind the bars during trial is against natural justice.
Facing the charge of raping a lady journalist, Tarun Tejpal has filed a petition before the Supreme Court seeking bail. Tejpal in his petition has contended that prosecution has named 152 persons as prosecution witnesses. Hence, it will take a long time to complete the trial. Tejpal said that he is ready to obey every condition stated by the court. Earlier, High Court had dismissed Tejpal's bail plea, observing that it is difficult to believe that Tejpal would obey court conditions if he is released on bail. The High Court had also observed that Tejpal is an influential person who would like to protect his reputation and name. There is possibility of the applicant fleeing from justice. The court also observed that, considering the relationship and the past conduct of Tejpal, it cannot be ruled out that he can tamper with the evidences. The Supreme Court has not yet decided the date of hearing on Tejpal's bail plea. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
High Court has acquitted all 4 accused in 1999 Guru Pujari murder case. The High Court dismissed the appeal filed by the state. Court has observed that Goa police has failed to prove the allegations.
According to prosecution, Gurudas Pujari was a Matka agent in Margao. Prime accused Srikar Naik Kurade was also a Matka agent in that area. Prosecution says Kurade was having business rivalry with Guru. On 23rd November 1999 at about 10 p.m., Guru Pujari was standing near his car at Khareban, Margao. 2 unknown persons on a motorbike fired shots of pistol and fled from the spot. Gurudas Pujari collapsed, sustaining injuries, and was shifted to Hospicio Hospital, where he was declared dead. The High Court, in its judgment, has upheld the acquittal of prime accused Srikar Naik Kurade, co-accused Zacharias Rodriguez and Felix Fernandez. Another accused, Glenn Peters, has died. The High Court has pointed that the bullets recovered from the body of the deceased match the pistol, which was used in commissioning the offence. However, there is serious doubt that such a revolver was attached from the accused. The court also observed that prosecution has failed to establish any cogent and conclusive material on record provoking the guilt of the accused. Slamming Goa police for shoddy investigation in Guru Pujari murder case, the High Court has observed that a cold-blooded murder has gone unpunished. The High Court also observed that prosecution has not efficiently pursued the trial to bring forward enough material to establish the charges framed against the accused. The High Court also observed that investigations in future would be more efficient to investigate such crimes in a more competent manner to bring forth reliable material to establish the guilt of the accused involved in the crimes. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.